Satellite images from Google Earth taken last month show Su-35 fighter jets for the Egyptian Su-35 Air Force first seen on the lawn at the Gagarin Aircraft Factory in Komsomolsk-on-Amur, Russia, reports DefenseBlog. The picture has appeared by Gagarin on his Twitter account, which shows at least 4 new sophisticated Su-35 fighter jets produced under contract with Egypt. The first photo of Su-35 with Egyptian camouflage in Komsomolsk-on-Amur, Russia, he said on Twitter. Russia's TASS news agency, which quoted diplomatic military sources, reported earlier about the launch of the production of Su-35 fighter planes, which were intended to be sent to the Egyptian Air Force based on a contract signed in 2018. Egypt has decided to buy Russian-made Su-35 fighter jets for around $2 billion. The signing of the agreement was never confirmed by an official source. The Su-35 is a highly enhanced supermaneuverable Generation 4++ jet fighter, developed using some of the 5th-generation technology. The Su-35 is assembled with a new avionics suite based on information control systems, new radars, plasma ignition engines for increased power, and is equipped with nozzles with thrust vectoring. This engine meets the requirements as a driving force for the 5th-generation fighter because it allows the development of supersonic speeds without turning on afterburners. China had become the first foreign country to buy a Su-35 when it signed a $2.5 billion deal with Russia for the acquisition of 24 Su-35 jets. The agreement also considers the supply of land equipment and spare machines. Shipment of aircraft to China has been completed in 2019.